For the Massachusetts Bay Colony, there was an image, a seal, and it has an image of a native individual. This is the I believe this is the 1630 image. It changed over time. In fact, if you were to look at some of the more recent, not the most recent, because I believe the flag was changed, the flag for the state of Massachusetts, you could see a little bit of this image still remaining. But this is the seal for that colony. And what you have here is you have an individual native person. He has a bow in one hand and an arrow in the other hand. The arrow is being pointed down. Most commentators on this image have concluded that this is a sign of peace. Right? You don't have an image of a native person with the arrow pulled back. It's down. You can see that the native person is almost nearly naked, have some kind of leaves in the front portion of the body, and coming out of the mouth, it says, "Come over and help us." This "come and help us" goes back to Acts 16, 9 through 10. It was one of Paul's missionary journeys where he had a vision. He had slept, and during the night he had this vision. And it says in Acts 16, 9 through 10, "And a vision appeared to Paul in the night. A man in Macedonia was standing and appealing to him and saying, 'Come over to Macedonia and help us.' And when he had seen the vision, immediately he sought to go to Macedonia, concluding that God had called us to proclaim the gospel to them." So this is where they are getting that from. When the Puritans are thinking of an image, they're going to the Bible for that image, at least to get the theological understanding of that image of this native person. So it's almost this idea, a call to back home into England or wherever, this idea that we have a mission field here. Come over here and help us, because there is great need in New England for the gospel, for the spread of the gospel. And these are going to be powerful images and powerful words to people back home in England, because it's the people back home in England who are in part providing the financial means so that these operations can take place. And when you have a colony or a group of people who are making the argument that this is not just about settlings of new land or natural resources or making money for the colony and then sending it back home, but there are actual souls who are in desperate need of salvation. And we are here to be able to be a good influence, the city on a hill, and to be able to share the good news of the gospel to them, that they might be saved. Well, you can imagine, as you have these Christians back in England who are hearing these reports, they're going to get excited about this. They're going to want to send resources, money, more individuals to New England to be able to meet the great need